Voyager had an exciting year in 2021. A wave of new tokens was added to the online brokerage, improving its position in the crypto trading market. That, combined with a major update to its Voyager token, was enough to bring investors flocking to VGX. But as the wider crypto industry took a turn for the worse in 2022, so did the Voyager token. VGX's recent downturn has been further fueled by Three Arrows Capital defaulting on more than $600 million in crypto loans. By July 1st, the network made the difficult but necessary decision to temporarily suspend trading, deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards. Does the VGX price prediction think it can make a comeback? Voyager wanted to bring the brokerage concept from traditional finance to the crypto world. It provides investors with a secure way to invest in a range of cryptocurrencies. The secret behind Voyager's platform is smart order routing technology, which connects the brokerage with more than 10 different exchanges. Since launching in 2018, Voyager has built up a portfolio of more than 100 cryptocurrencies, with an easy-to-use mobile app and its own debit card. With its range of products, Voyager is bringing in both retail and institutional investors. The parent company of the brokerage platform is Crypto Trading Technologies. It has 4 founders: brokerage veteran Stephen Ehrlich, former Morgan Stanley analyst Philip Eiton, ex-Warner Music advisor Gaspard de Droitzy, and Oscar Salazar, the founding architect behind Uber. So what is Voyager token? VGX is the cryptocurrency that fuels the brokerage. It can be given as rewards to users of the platform, or used to generate interest through the Voyager app. VGX has been around for some time, with the brokerage token usually reflecting the wider market. This has led it to perform fairly bearishly over the course of 2022 so far. The Voyager token launched before the platform on July 18, 2017 at 6 cents. For the rest of the year, it fluctuated between its launch price and $1.25. The token saw its biggest breakout at the beginning of 2018, when the crypto market was performing particularly bullishly. It hit its all-time high of $12.54 on January 5, 2018. The token immediately corrected afterwards and stayed roughly around the $4 mark in the following month. VGX managed to pass $5 again in early March 2018, but fell throughout the rest of the month, stooping to $2. The Voyager token saw another rally, hitting a peak of $5.02 on May 10, 2018. This came as Voyager announced it was releasing its mobile app by the end of 2022. However, VGX proved vulnerable to the crypto crash in 2018. After its peak in May, the token kept dropping and was trading at 12 cents by the end of the year. The Voyager token could not overcome this trend for the next 2 years, and stayed below $1 until 2021. At the end of 2020, VGX began a rally that extended into a breakout in 2021. For the first time in 2 years, the token hit a $2.80 price point on January 30th. This came after a wave of tokens were listed on its platform. In January alone, Voyager offered trading support for Engine, Elrond, Golem, Terra Luna, Kyber Network, and others. VGX continued rallying and hit a peak of $6.90 on February 20, 2021, a day after the Uniswap token was listed on the platform. The Voyager token managed to stay above the $5 mark for the rest of the month. It peaked again on March 1, 2021 at $6.97 after new interest rates were announced for the brokerage. Dogecoin, Decentraland and Uniswap were all cryptocurrencies included in that month's interest event. After settling for the rest of March, VGX saw another price surge a month later on April 14. This came after the announcement that Voyager was a finalist for the US FinTech Awards. It saw the token pass the $5 mark. The token came close to $5 again on May 1, 2021, when the platform revealed a loyalty program for VGX holders. Investors could be eligible for a range of rewards, depending on the amount of Voyager tokens they were holding. VGX could not keep up the momentum and dropped below $2 in July. However, August proved to be an exciting month for the brokerage. It acquired the cryptocurrency payment provider Coinify on August 4, 2021, and incorporated the new Ethereum hard fork. The following day, the Voyager platform won a Benzinga Award for the best crypto trading software. On August 20, 2021, a new update was rolled out for the brokerage's token. VGX 2.0 was intended to drive more traffic to the platform through greater rewards and incentivization. All of Voyager's August news culminated with it hitting a peak of $4.67 on the day of the new token rollout. VGX had to wait a while before its next peak, which occurred towards the end of the year. On November 16, 2021, Voyager announced it was releasing its own debit card, with an early access version available to consumers. This new card allowed users to spend at locations wherever MasterCard was accepted and earn crypto interest. VGX passed the $5 mark again just 6 days later. However, it has been unable to come anywhere close to that level since then. It dropped below $3 by the end of December and under $2 in January 2022. More bad news was to come, and on March 30, 2022 Voyager was ordered by the state of New Jersey to cease and desist in a series of complaints against cryptocurrency-based, interest-bearing account issuers in the U.S. The sharp descent continued on May 12, 2022, when coin traded at lows of $0.5895. More optimistic news was to come a few days later when Voyager Digital, VOIG, raised $60 million in a private placement offering led by Alameda Research. Voyager Digital also released its revenue and user metrics for the quarter ended March 31, 2022, reporting revenue up 70% for the quarter, from $60.4 million to $102.7 million. However, the recent crypto crash has taken its toll on both the VGX token and firms involved in the Voyager platform. Voyager announced on June 27 that it had issued a default notice to Three Arrows Capital, 3AC, for failing to make the required payments associated with the hedge fund's loans. The Voyager loan taken out by 3AC includes 15,250 BTC and $350 million in USDC. A press release said, Voyager intends to pursue recovery from 3AC and is in discussions with the company's advisors as to legal remedies available. In the meantime, 3AC's default appears to be bringing down the price of VGX. The network was forced to temporarily suspend trading, citing debt failure from Three Arrows Capital. At the time of this video, VGX has fallen to 25 cents and is down 30% in a recent 7-day period. Some forecasts expect the brokerage token to eventually reach a new all-time high. Governor Capital's Voyager token price prediction for 2022 is for it to pass 50 cents at some stage in August, and remain hit the $2 mark in December. In 1 year's time, the site forecasts the token will be trading at $5.17. In the next 5 years, it expects VGX to soar far beyond its all-time high and hit $38.89. Wallet Investor makes a VGX price prediction which says it is a bad long-term investment. The site forecasts VGX to plummet to 1 cent next year. PricePrediction.net is more ambitious. It expects VGX to climb to a maximum of $1.06 this year. The site's Voyager token price prediction for 2025 is $2.77. The site then expects a general year-on-year uptrend, reaching $17.10 in 2030. Meanwhile, Digital Coin Price does not think the token will climb past $10 in the next decade. It thinks VGX will average out at 34 cents this year. The site's VGX price prediction estimates the token to hit 49 cents in 2025, and it makes a Voyager token price prediction for 2030 of $1.15. Much of Voyager's future depends on the wider crypto market. Its brokerage relies on investors trading cryptocurrencies, which is not as attractive during the current crypto crash. With 3AC defaulting on its loan, the potential success of Voyager has been put into question and the protocol will need to prioritize survival.